Discover the best weight loss programs of 2024 that could revolutionize your fitness journey. We're diving into 14 unique weight loss programs, each with its own approach to shedding pounds. Stay tuned to find your perfect fit. 1. Weight Watchers. WW, in short WW, uses a points system to guide users towards healthy eating choices. It emphasizes portion control, balanced nutrition, and encourages physical activity. 2. Jenny Craig. This program offers prepackaged low-calorie meals and provides one-on-one counseling. It focuses on portion control and balanced nutrition. 3. Nutrisystem. Similar to Jenny Craig, Nutrisystem provides prepackaged meals that are calorie and portion controlled. It also offers plans tailored for specific dietary needs. 4. Keto Diet, a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that aims to put the body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. This program requires careful planning and monitoring. 5. Paleo Diet. Based on eating foods presumed to be available to Paleolithic humans, this diet includes lean meats, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. It excludes dairy, grains, and processed foods. 6. Mediterranean Diet emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, olive oil, and fish. It's known for its heart-healthy and sustainable approach to weight loss and overall health. 7. Intermittent Fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It doesn't prescribe specific foods but rather focuses on when you should eat them. 8. The DASH Diet. Originally developed to fight high blood pressure, this diet promotes eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods and reducing sodium intake. It's effective for weight loss and improving overall health. 9. Plant-based diets, focusing on foods derived from plants, including vegetables, grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, and fruits, while minimizing or eliminating animal products. This approach can be effective for weight loss and health improvement. 10. Atkins Diet, a low-carb diet, often recommended for weight loss. This diet is divided into different phases, starting with very low carbohydrate intake and gradually increasing. 11. The Flexitarian Diet, a style of eating that encourages mostly plant-based foods while allowing meat and other animal products in moderation. 12. Fitness Apps and Online Programs. Many apps and online programs offer personalized meal plans and workout routines. Examples include MyFitnessPal, Noom, and Fitbit. 13. Commercial gym programs. Many gyms offer weight loss programs that include personal training, nutrition counseling, and group fitness classes. 14. Behavioral weight loss programs. These focus on changing eating and exercise habits, often through cognitive behavioral therapy. They are typically run by psychologists or other mental health professionals. Your ideal weight loss journey starts here. Like, share, and subscribe for more fitness insights, and check the description for detailed info on each program.